This is the DOM IX Saturn keyworks. So let's try to pick it. Alright, let's put in some tension and start on the left side. Nothing on 1. Little click out of 2. Click out of 3 and a full set. 1 is binding now. Click out of him. 4. Yeah, but I dropped everything. Let's reset. 2, 3, 1. Get under 4. Got him, but dropped 1. Okay, got him back. Check 4 again. It's fine. Okay, excuse me. I'm gonna switch to the right side now. Switch tension. Okay. 1 is binding. Click. Now, I know that 3 will put me in a really deep full set, and it will be more difficult to force some of these pulls up. So I'll try to set 4 a little bit sooner. Don't know if I can do that. Okay, maybe I got something out of 4. Okay, let's try the interactive. Okay, something happened. Now, let's check 3. Yeah, there's the deep full set. Now, number 2 wants to go up. And he did, but I don't know if it was enough. Okay, now it was, but the lock did not open. 4 is down, that's the reason. I'm trying to push 4 up now. Maybe I got him. I didn't. Okay. Maybe now? No, 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 no. I don't think so. Interactive is fine. Oh, 4 is still binding. Okay, there it is. So, lock is open. It's time to gut. Okay, so let's remove it from the device. This should work, I think. Oh, it has to. Okay. So, gutting will be a bit tricky because it's a dome lock with the impulse, and there's a lot of them, and there is a lot going on. So, yeah. Better start as soon as possible. Okay, so turn it like this and try to catch the metal plate on the back side and this. Alright, so I just removed something by accident. Cool. It was number 5 on the left and the ball bearing dropped, so let's put this keep in here right away. And this little ball bearing dropped, so just place him here. And this metal plate likes to go off. Well, it's not metal, but it's on the side. It actually prevents the interactive from falling into this groove. That's what I found out when I installed it without it once. Okay, so now all the passives are dropping out because why the hell not? Okay. So let's deal with those tricky key-pins. They really don't like to go out. They really don't. Okay, that's one way how to remove them. Wait a second. Actually, this was number 5 that I removed by accident. This is one. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, let's continue by not launching the key pins into the outer space. Man, this is annoying. Oh boy. Oh boy, this is annoying. Okay, where's the tweezers? Maybe I'll need them. Oh, 3 just got out. Why not? I'll take that any day. Buddy, get out. Please. Just leave. So close. No, it's not happening. I got you. Number 2, and I guess I can remove 4. Maybe not. Okay, which one was 4? I don't know. Do I? I don't. I guess this one. And this was number 1. Actually, I'm not that sure. I'll just put them. Okay, 1 is with question mark, 4 is with question mark. Okay. I will see when I reinsert the key, I guess. Alright, so let's go on with our suffering. Number 2, yeah, there it is. This is 3, 4, and the interactive. There he is. Okay. So apart from these 2 passive pins, there's not much left. Okay, and now let's dump the drivers. So this is, wait a second, I don't wanna fuck this up. This is the right side, there are 4 plus interactive. So, okay. This is the left side Euro style. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm really clumsy today. 3 and 3. 4 and 4. 5 and the interactive. Okay. Holy crap, I'm pretty sure I messed something up. Just got a bad feeling out of this. I don't know. Only good thing about this lock is that the springs just go out into the chambers really easily. Okay, let's just place these springs next to the drivers. Okay. Alright, so that should be it. Okay, so what do we have here? We have the dome shark fins for key pins, or you can see that it looks like a shark fin. This is the okay, this is the part of the key pin that protrudes into the keyway. Okay, so basically all of the key pins look like this, and driver pins there are many shapes of them. There are lots of spools, and they are shaped to match the curvature of the housing, so you can see that they're kinda skewed, I guess. They're askew, yeah, if you know what I mean. So there's one type of driver, this is another type of driver. Lots of bizarre shapes, but most of them act like spools, or they just can be set normally. And this is the interactive element. I kinda want to have a bottle in this shape. Okay. I like this shape, I don't know why, but this is it. The narrower part is the one that sticks into the keyway. Okay, let's place it back carefully. Yeah, and there's lots of drill protection and passive pin stuff on the side. You can see the holes for the key pins. And this one is for the interactive, and this is, I don't know, drill protection that is not there, and another drill protection fell out, why not? Okay, so yeah, basically that's it. Is it? It is, I think. I can see the housing and the grooves for the, I guess, passive pins, I don't know. And 10 chambers for the drivers and one for the interactive in the back. Okay, so that was the Dome IX Saturn. Wish me luck, because the next half an hour I will be actually reassembling the lock. It's a real pain, but I will get to it soon. One more close-up on the pins. And yeah, very interesting passive pins for your pleasure. The core and the key. I guess this part at the end, this one is the one that pushes out the interactive. It gets pushed up by wording, and it pushes the interactive up. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.